Hello guys, I'm Nagender and once again I am back, and today this is the 8th lecture of this playlist, and today we will discuss about the initial response. So without any delay, let's begin. So you can see in my screen that the red one we have already completed and the yellow one is an ongoing process, and the sky blue is a upcoming my task, upcoming. Okay, so the today topic is initial response. So this is the basically official websites that's I getting from the official documentation. So the initial response is sent to the user after Amazon Lex v2 determines that the intent and before it start to elicit into its value. So I know that's it's like very a complex definition is provided by the official documentation, but I can provide you the exact a simple reason for what is the initial response. So like initial response is like a welcome response, your welcome message is a simple word. Okay, so now we just move on our lab part. So in my previous video we just discussed about the slot types. Okay, and you also know that we have created a intent, its name is sport. Okay, so you can see this is a sport intent. So initial response you can see from the top is first one is conversion flows, intent details, sample attendance we have already covered, and the fourth one is initial response. So this is our current topic. Okay, so again I am saying that don't confuse about the initial response, it is like a welcome response message. Okay, okay, like firstly we just check our this chat box without initial response. So suppose when I click on the text button, okay, and I just pass some utterances, and you also know that behalf of the utterances is automatically called the intent. So like it just asks some like questions. I just provided like sport and you can provide anything, and after that you just provide some ages. So it's like a simple scenario without any initial response. But like suppose if you want some welcome message so that the user is like feel like some rejoice, you can say. Okay, so on that time you need to provide some initial response. Okay, so this is example without initial response, but right now I just providing some initial response. Okay, so I just cross this and suppose and this one is the initial response, and I just expand this, and like suppose we are providing some welcome message, it's like a happy message, okay say. So I suppose I am just providing like welcome to the fancy club. Okay, and like good morning, something you can provide anything which is suitable as per your requirement. Okay, and dot dot dots, and I also getting some like emojis. Okay, sorry, don't need. Okay, and I just click on the save intent button. So now our chatbot is saved. But if you want to check this changes, so firstly we need to create build, you also know very well, and you also look my previous video that it's a time taking process, so little bit time taking. And after the successful build we can check and find out the what is the exact reason why we need to use initial response to a customer, a user, you can say, a better experience. Okay, so right now it is building. Yeah, fine, the successfully build completed, and I just click on the test button. So like suppose I just again pass some utterances like sport. Perfect, perfect working. So now this time you can see that firstly our chatbot is provide some a welcome message. Yeah, in a official way you can say it's the initial response. Okay, so now you can see that the chatbot is automatically given some response like welcome to the fancy club, good morning. So this time is attraction is more powerful, you can say. Yeah, more look and feel is very well compared to the a conversation between user and chatbot. So like it's a welcome message is provided by the initial response which we are just providing in this box, you can see. Okay, and after that it is the same process which we have happens many times in my previous video and this video also. So right now we just pass some like any like like follow. Then then after that the same process happen again, you also know. But the main thing is, today topic is what is initial response. So I think, I hope guys, you know, understand the main concept of the initial response. Okay, so thank you guys, thank you so much for supporting. And probably in my upcoming video I just discuss some upcoming points. Okay, thank you guys, bye.